So hey guys, this is Harihan and I'm back with another video of Volte. In this video we are going to see about the specs, price and a lot more about Asus Zenfone 7 Pro. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. Last year Asus released the Zenfone 6 with a fresh take on an all-screen design. It had a flip camera that allowed the user to flip the main cameras around into selfie mode. It was a unique and bold approach, but we liked it. It's now 2020 and the team at Asus has released a successor or rather successors in Zenfone 7 and Zenfone 7 Pro. Asus Zenfone 7 Pro smartphone was launched on 26 August 2020. The smartphone comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. Asus Zenfone 7 Pro is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It comes with 8GB of RAM. The Asus Zenfone 7 runs on Android 10 and it's powered by 5000 mAh battery. The Asus Zenfone 7 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro on the rear packs the 64MP camera with a f1.73 aperture, a second 12MP camera with f2.2 aperture, and the third 8MP camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a camera on the front for selfies. The Asus Zenfone 7 Pro runs Zen UI 7 based on the Android 10 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 2000GB. The Asus Zenfone 7 Pro is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. It was launched in black and radiant white colors. Connectivity options on the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.10, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G. There are a couple of noteworthy upgrades Asus has made to the screen on the Zenfone 7 Pro. First up is that the display now has the highest refresh rate 90Hz OLED panel, up from the 60Hz LCD screen from the last year. That means it should look much smoother. Asus also says the screen can now get a bring as 700 nits in bright conditions, making it easier to read in sunlight while also enjoying a bit more real estate at 6.67 inches. It has still got just a 1080 pixel resolution however. The massive 5000 mAh battery returns from the last year's phone, and this year it supports up to 30W fast charging. Unfortunately, there is no wireless charging inside. Asus said it wanted to prioritize a big battery rather than having to allocate space to the hardware it would require. There is also no rear mounted fingerprint this time around. Instead, there is a side mounted one built into phone's power button, which also plays double duty as a shortcut key with customizable double tap and hold gestures. Unlike the Zenfone 6, the Zenfone 7 Pro doesn't have a headphone jack, and there is also no IP rating. Both handsets are available in either white or black. As for the Zenfone 7 Pro, it comes with a single variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone supports microSD card expansion by up to 2TB. Given the high price tag of the phone, it is possible that Asus may not launch the phone in India at all. The Asus Zenfone 6Z faced a number of issues, the first being a controversy around the use of name Zenfone, which the company had to drop by the launch time. Additionally, the phone had a lukewarm reception, making the launch of Zenfone 7 and Zenfone 7 Pro a bigger risk for Asus. The company is however enjoying the success with ROG Phone 3. Asus Zenfone 7 Pro smartphone price in India is likely to be Rs 71,000. Asus Zenfone 7 Pro is speculated to be launched in country November 20, 2020. So guys, we came to the end of this video. If you are ending up with liking this video, click on the thumbs up button and share your valuable comments in comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe Bilbo and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications from Bilbo. Thank you. Cheers.